This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling the lamb egg box card. So this is a very simple box card. We've got the base of the box card here and one insert. So let's start by working on that. I'm just going to glue this behind my eyes and my nose. And then I will glue this in place. I think I want to put a little bit of foam tape behind the top of the hair. Just give that just a little more dimension. My cats are being bad. I don't know what he's getting into. Okay, so next is the bow. I'm just gonna pop that on the center there. I do think I want to pop this one up just a little. Okay, and then that is done. We have a flower. This goes on the front. I just want to pinch those a little bit, and I want to curl my petals up. And just line that up. Okay, that's going to go on the front. So before we put the front on, we're going to go ahead and put our insert in. And we're just going to lay this right there. Glue it into place. Nope, I think it slipped before I got it on there. Let's try that again. That's better. Okay. And I'm putting glue on the tab, and the other side is over here. So I'm just going to fold this over and glue this into place. I'm going to bring my other side and put glue here. Slide that right in there. Glue that into place. Then I'm going to take my front and there is a slight border all the way around. This card would also be really cute with the patterned paper on here. So it was like a dyed egg. So what this piece is doing is rounding this edge, these two edges. So that's why I'm putting the glue on there on the base and not on my panel piece, because I don't want the glue hanging over. There we go. So that gives us a nice rounded edge. And then we can do the same thing for the back. Now, if you want to leave the back white so that you can write on it, you can leave your panel off. If you're doing, like an eggshell, or do this in a color like this pink that's light enough that you can write on. And again, there is a border slightly around the whole thing. And then I'm going to put the glue on this piece. And let's stand that up again. That seemed to work best. There we are. And then your flower just fits here in this bottom corner. And I think I'm going to pop it with a little bit of foam tape. And there is the lamb egg box card. Thank you for joining me.